I have a project, and it's kind of a sad project. Sunny, the cutest little Sunny bunny on the face of the planet, she's getting really old, and she's having a real hard time getting up on these chairs. We have stairs here, but they're not tall enough. A time or two, she has fallen down the cracks on each side. So I've got a mattress it's a foam mattress that I saved from one of our trucks. Actually, it was our mattress that we had in several trucks. It's a hard foam mattress, and I've saved it all these years, and I'm gonna cut it up, and I'm gonna make taller stairs. I'm gonna have the bottom come out a little further and wider, so there's no area that she can fall down. She probably doesn't have long left. She's got lots and lots of tumors, and it just turned into an old lady. We're gonna miss her when she's gone. We sure are. But we're gonna do everything we can to make you comfortable and have a happy life right up till your very last day. All right, so let me go get that started. Oh boy, it's hot in here already. Okay, this is not the one that come out of the truck. I can't remember where this came from, but it's fixing to be a dog step now. That, I can't remember where I got this, but it was in my wife's garden shed, and she is going to donate this to the dog step cause. She doesn't know that yet, but maybe she won't know. So it's got to be 22 inches wide by 14 inches tall. Let me get this cut off of it. All right, we're getting there. Now, this is a little too tall. This is about an inch too tall. So I'm in the process of trying to pull this foam from the bottom foam, and it's a lengthy process. I'm gonna have to go pull all this off so it'll lay flat, but it'll work. All right, we're almost there. Then I have some rubber cement that I'm gonna spray this down and stick them all together so they don't move around. And then I'll take it up to the house and see how she likes her new stairs. Okay, I think that'll work. Let me go take this to the house and see if that works any better. Now the problem with this is, if we make it too wide, they'll end up laying on it, and it keeps the other dogs from getting up and down. So I'll have to school them on that for the first few days, and they'll get the idea. So let's go. Let's bring it up there to the house and see how this works. Come here, Sonny. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. You don't want to test it out? Okay, I got something that'll make you test it out. Yep. Come here, Breezy. Okay. Well, it's higher and wider, so I think it'll work. And there's the old one for size reference. It's ugly and a monstrosity, but when it comes to your dogs, who cares? I'm sure my wife will cover that with something. Yeah.
Come on, old lady. Come on, old lady.
Come on, we're doing a demonstration.
Okay.
All right.
Dirty my floors off.
Come on, Buns. Sonny? Sonny? Want some bacon? Sonny? Here, come up here. Over here. Come on.
Shouldn't even use the bottom.
I tricked you. I have nothing. That is so rude.
That is so mean.
Okay, it works.
Dog abuse.
Now she can go from chair to chair without falling between the cracks, and life is good again.
Well,
Now?
remember Dad said to give you a bacon?
Yeah.
Thanks, Uncle Salty.
Yeah, Salty Shellback got our dogs hooked on crack.
Yeah.
Bacon strips.
Bacon crack.
And now, every time we leave the house, you bringing back some bacon? You gonna be getting any of that bacon? Where's that bacon at?
Oh no, it's the Amazon box.
We came back and they'd sold our microwave and the TV and. Okay, this is the generator novel. Let me step one in the generator novel that was inside the box. Carefully cut the packing tape on top of the box. Fold back the top flaps and remove the manual. Okay, how are you going to know this step? I know common sense says you would open the, but here, you don't get to read these 1 and 2, until after you've already opened the carton. It just seems kind of silly to put those 2 steps there, since if you're reading this, you have obviously opened the carton. This is a very big novel, and they even put it in French and Spanish, so everybody could read this interesting novel.